Hey everyone, welcome back to TechVibes. Today we're explaining the PS4 Safe Mode options in a simple and clear way. We'll go step by step with the PS4 right in front of us. First, make sure the PS4 is turned off completely. If the PS4 light is still on, hold the power button until it beeps twice to power off. Now place the PS4 on a flat surface so it's steady while we work. Unplug the HDMI cable from the back of the PS4. Then unplug the power cable from the PS4. Wait about 10 seconds. Now plug the power cable back into the PS4 firmly. Plug the HDMI cable back into the PS4 and the TV. Make sure the HDMI port clicks securely. Now grab the PS4 controller. Connect it to the PS4 using the USB cable. This is required for safe mode to work. Now hold the power button on the PS4. Keep holding through the first beep. Keep holding until you hear a second beep. After the second beep, release the button. The PS4 will now boot into safe mode. On the screen, you'll see the PS4 Safe Mode menu. Select 1. Restart PS4 if you just want to reboot normally. This option doesn't change anything on your PS4. 2. Change resolution. Restarts your PS4 in 480p mode. Use this if your PS4 shows a black screen or display error. 3. Update system software. Lets you install the latest update. You can update from Internet USB or disk. Use this if your PS4 update failed before. 4. Restore default settings. Resets PS4 settings but keeps your data. This is safe and doesn't delete games or saves. Use this if your PS4 settings are corrupted or glitchy. 5. Rebuild database. Is one of the most useful options. This will reorganize your PS4 storage and remove corrupted data. Use this if your PS4 is slow, freezing, or crashing. It may take a while depending on storage size. 6. Initialize PS4. Erases everything on your PS4. This deletes games, apps, users, and settings. Only use this if you fully understand you'll lose all data. Make sure saves are uploaded to PS Plus or a USB backup. 7. Initialize PS4, reinstall system software. Wipes everything completely. This also requires PS4 firmware downloaded to a USB. Use this only when the PS4 installation is severely damaged. If the PS4 storage drive has errors, rebuilding the database is usually enough. If the PS4 won't display anything, try change resolution first. If the PS4 keeps restarting, try rebuild database next. If the PS4 updates keep failing, use update system software. If nothing else works, then consider initialize PS4. Always start with the least destructive option. Safe mode is designed to repair, not harm. So move slowly and read each option carefully. Let's go ahead and select Rebuild Database for demonstration. Press X on the PS4 controller. Confirm the message on the screen. The PS4 will restart and begin the rebuild. You'll see a loading bar while it repairs file structure. Once finished, the PS4 will boot normally. Check if your PS4 runs smoother and without errors. If the problem is gone, you're all set. And that is how to understand every PS4 Safe Mode option. Thanks for watching TechVibes. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more PS4 fixes.